Instagram ads can be effective in reaching a targeted audience and achieving marketing goals. Instagram ads work by utilizing the platform's vast user data to show ads to specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. This targeting allows businesses to reach a highly relevant audience and increase their chances of conversion. Instagram offers various ad formats, including photo, video, carousel, and story ads, each with its unique benefits and objectives. Advertisers can choose from different bidding strategies such as cost per click, cost per impression, and cost per action to optimize their campaigns for their desired outcomes. Instagram's integration with Facebook's Ad Manager allows advertisers to use the same targeting and campaign management tools across both platforms. This integration provides businesses with even more data and targeting options to improve their ad campaigns' effectiveness. Instagram ads can be a powerful tool for businesses looking to increase their brand awareness, reach new audiences, and drive sales or conversions. However, like any advertising method, the success of Instagram ads depends on several factors, including targeting, ad creative, bidding strategy, and the overall marketing strategy.